Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and connect with a reliable cable. Once connected, install ADB on your computer and verify the device with a DB devices so you know communication works. Make a full backup now. An Android or a DB backup protects you if something breaks. You need this safety net because debloating removes packages. Once done, recovery is your only easy way back. Keep battery above 50%. You now run Android Debloater on the host. Launch the GUI or open the CLI and let it query package lists. This shows system and user apps. Once you see packages, disable non-essential system apps first so you can test stability. Disabling is reversible while uninstalling is not. Make selections, then apply changes via a DB commands that the tool issues. If an app breaks functionality, re-enable it immediately. Keep notes of every change. That log is your rollback map. Finish by rebooting and systematically testing core functions, telephony, Wi-Fi, camera, and play services. You should verify each before proceeding with more removals. That prevents cascading failures. If something breaks, re-enable the last changed package or restore from the backup you made earlier. One key troubleshooting tip: use a DB logcat to capture errors while reproducing the issue. That points to the offending package. Once everything is stable, keep a minimal list of removed apps for future flashes or device resets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.